Hey guys, welcome to Sarvaruchi. This is Gautami. Today I will show how to prepare spicy and tasty chicken sukka, or it is also known as dry chicken. It tastes great with chapati as well as rice. Process: first I have taken 750 grams of clean chicken and these are sliced into medium pieces. Now add required salt. I have added 2 tablespoons of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, few curry leaves. I have already squeezed 1 lemon, add into it. Mix it well. We can see the more turmeric powder in this. By adding more turmeric, we can reduce the odor. Combine well and make it to marinate for 15 minutes. Now heat the pan, add 1 inch of broken cinnamon stick, 7 number of cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 5 number of cashew nuts and 5 number of badam, that is almonds. Roast it well for 1 minute. Roast it in medium flame. After 1 minute, it is completely roasted. Keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1/4 cup of coriander seeds, 3/4 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 12 number of red chilies. Roast it well for 1 minute. According to your taste, you can add more chilies also. After 1 minute, it is completely roasted. We can see the color change. Now keep it aside. Now in the same pan, add half cup of freshly grated coconut. Roast it well for 1 minute in the medium flame. After 1 minute, it turns light golden. Keep it aside. Roast all these ingredients separately only. Make all these ingredients to cool completely. Once it cools, grind into fine powder. We can see it is finely grounded. This is the masala powder. Keep it aside. Now heat the pan, add 1/4 cup of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once these are heated, add 3/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds and 2 number of bay leaves. Make it to sort it. It is sorted. Now add 2 number of sliced onions. Sort it well for 2 minutes in the medium flame. After 2 minutes, onions turns light golden. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Sort it well for 1 minute in the medium flame. After 1 minute, the raw smell goes off. Now add 3 number of sliced tomatoes. Mix it and cook it for 2 minutes in the medium flame. After 2 minutes, tomatoes turns mushy and soft. Now add marinated chicken into it. Mix it well. Do this process in the high flame. You can adjust salt here, but I already added in the marination itself, so I am not adding. Now cover the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. We can see the water separation from the chicken. Mix it once. Do this process in the high flame. Now add grounded masala powder into it. Now few curry leaves. Mix it well. Now reduce the flame into medium. It is completely mixed well. Now do the remaining process in the medium flame. Cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. The chicken is completely cooked well. And also we can see the oil separation. Mix it gently. Now off the flame and transfer to a bowl. That's it. Tasty and spicy chicken sukka is ready. It tastes great with chapati as well as rice. Please try at home, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also share your opinions in the comment box. Thank you.